Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Mala braised duck, or otherwise known as numbing and spicy braised duck. So let's start cooking. We are proud to announce our collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. Our local Chinese delight course features 10 of our dearest recipes for you to learn hands-on at Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. The experienced trainers here at Pots and Pans are prepped and ready to share with you the offline experience of our dishes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight culinary course. Sign up with the link below or scan our QR code. See you there. Now we're going to blanch our duck first. Fill a wok with water. Don't turn on the heat first. Add in 2 or 3 slices of ginger. Right? Add in your duck. I have with me over here 1 whole duck, approximately 2.6 kilograms. Pour in 2 tablespoons of Chinese rice wine. The ginger and the rice wine will help to get rid of any gaminess from the duck. Now we turn the flame on to medium heat and let it slowly come to a boil. Once the water starts to boil, we'll boil this for another 5 minutes before we remove the duck and rinse them. I'll see you back in a while. 5 minutes is up. Let's remove the duck and rinse them. You can discard the water away. I'll show you the next step after this. Now we'll put the dish together. Heat up the wok using medium-low heat. Add in a suitable amount of oil. We're going to fry our aromatics first. Swirl the oil around a little bit. Add in 30 grams of young ginger sliced. Put it in. 10 pieces of dried chili, which I deseeded and rehydrated them for about 10 minutes. Put them all in. Add in 1 piece of cinnamon bark, slightly longer than your index finger. 1 piece of star anise. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon each of red Sichuan peppercorn as well as the green peppercorn. The difference between the two is that the red can get rid of gaminess very good, as well as the green color is very good for the numbness. These are what we need. Now, in the event that you cannot get green, you just triple the amount of the red. You just add everything in. Move them around, fry them around until you can smell the beautiful fragrance coming off from them. Remember to use medium-low heat or medium heat. We want to get all the flavors out and not burn them. This dish is extremely delicious if you like something that's spicy with the kind of numbness, and yet it's not that expensive to put together as compared to the price that you get outside. So this is something that I like to do at home. Works well with beef if you want to braise them, duck, or even chicken. I'm starting to smell the beautiful fragrance coming up from here. Just fry this for a little while more, just to get more flavors out. Always remember, when you fry all these spices, use medium, low or low heat. And always remember to move them around. Whew, beautiful fragrance. When you see that your dried chili has turned to a slightly darker red color, we'll add in our duck. Pour everything in. We'll fry them for about a minute or 2, just to remove the moisture, so that later when we add in our duck soya sauce, the color can be better on the duck. Just move them around. Spread them out a little bit. Let the duck cook on one side for a while first before we turn them over. I'm still using medium-low heat right now. I don't want to turn up the heat too high. Now we just flip them around. Now how spicy you want this to be or how numbing you want this dish to be will depend on the chili as well as the Sichuan peppercorn that you add in. If you like it more spicy, feel free to add a little bit more. If you want it less spicy, of course lesser. Same thing with the Sichuan peppercorn. Spread them out again. I've been frying this for about a minute. So now let's just move this around a little bit. There isn't much moisture now, so we add in the rest of our ingredients. Add in 30 grams of rock sugar, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, as well as 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Same thing, move them around, mix them up. Try to get every piece of the duck in contact with the sauces that we add in. At this moment, we are still using medium-low heat. Right, we just want to coat them with this beautiful color. Once the duck is coated with this beautiful sauce, we'll turn the heat up to medium. We're adding water now. Add in enough water to cover the duck. Let's just move the duck around to make sure that they are submerged in the water. Once we've added in the water, we add in 2 pieces of bay leaves. Now turn the heat up to medium-high and we'll wait for this to come to a boil. I'll see you back in a while. Now the sauce is boiling already. Put the lid on, turn the heat down to low, and we'll simmer this for 40 minutes. But at the 20 minutes mark, we'll add in our eggs and our tofu puff. I'll see you back in a while. We've been braising the duck for about 20 minutes. Now it's time to add in our other ingredients. Wow, smells really good. I'm adding in 5 pieces of tofu puff cut into halves like this. You don't have to add exactly the same ingredients as me. These are all optionals. And of course, 4 pieces of hard-boiled eggs. Now you can also add in lotus roots, potatoes, no problem. All those hardy roots vegetables can be done too. Now we'll put the lid back on and cook this for another 20 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. A total of 40 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, smells really good. Now we'll turn the heat to medium-high or high and reduce the sauce by half. I'll see you back in a while. 15 minutes is up. Now we need to salt this. Remember, we did not season this just now. Salt to taste, I'm adding in 1.5 teaspoons of salt. You can do a taste test before you add in the salt. Just mix it up a little bit. So I used 40 minutes to simmer the duck and another 15 minutes to reduce the sauce. Now we need to thicken this up. We'll thicken the sauce up with cornstarch solution. You can use sweet potato solution or potato starch solution, no problem at all. Just pour a little bit in and stir as you add them in. Right? We want to mix it to the consistency that we want. Try to achieve a thicker consistency so that it can coat our duck well. A little bit more and this will be perfect. Once you're done with this, we'll serve this and it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. I can smell the slight spiciness as well as the numbing fragrance from this. Let's try the duck first. Oh. Slight spiciness, slight numbness. This is really good. Let me try the rice with the sauce, of course. Oh, sauce with rice. I tell you, this is really, really good. If you love the spiciness, the numbness in your dish, this is a must cook. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's time to cook. See you. Bye bye. Wow, 香，香香香。